Today, my name is Sora. Today, you could see that looks like I'm making a fidget spinner, but it's just not a fidget spinner, it's a little one. These are pretty much the shape of the fidget spinner that witches are going to use to spin. These have a big base, and that's why I'm using these circular beads for support, lots of support. So first, there's a little hole in the middle. You could use pretty much any bead, and then you put it in. Then you keep on putting it in until you have enough. You don't have enough space, or if you still have a little bit space to put in the other beads, and then this is how it's supposed to look like, or any way. And then you put the bead that you're gonna use as a support, so the beads won't fall out. And then you put in the other one at the other side. You push it in. It's supposed to be like this. And if it's too tight like right now, you could loosen it by spinning it at the spinning the circular base bead, and then it would spin better. This is how it looks like when it spins. And then the only thing that it doesn't use, which is the most common things that you use in DIY fidget spinners, is you always use paper, glue, and some other stuff. But the only thing that you use here is beads and a toothpick. So that's the cool thing about this fidget spinner that I just made. And this is the video, and hope you make the fidget spinner that I made. Bye.